For today's DIY project, first we need agate mold. Let's check your working surface with the help of laveler. My one side level is little wrong, so we put small piece of paper fold for level adjustment. Now my working surface is ready to work. For my client choice, I am using yellow opaque pigment and gold flex combination. I am using 2:1 resin hardener. All products links are available in description box. You can check and purchase with wholesale prices. I am using some decorative items like Caterie's Ganesha 7-petal metal leaves. We pour clear resin for final coat. Now let's dry for 24 hours in dust-free area. Now time to demold. I am using the burring tool for remove sharp edges. Using golden deco marker pen for highlighting borders.